on to the D4U USA channel. If this is your first time joining us today, I am so excited that you guys are here and I am expressing a huge welcome. Well, I'm so happy that you are here because we are immigration experts helping entrepreneurs and professionals live their American dream through their business, their investment, and their profession. So I am attorney Mari Ribeiro, a lawyer licensed in Florida, and today we are going to be talking all about the L1 visa and which professionals qualify for it. Now, before we get started, while yes, I am an attorney, it's important that you understand I am not your attorney unless we have a written agreement that says otherwise. So everything we're going to be talking about is strictly for educational purposes only and should not be considered as legal advice. And the reason we do it this way is because you are unique. Your situation is unique. Your circumstances are unique. And what we're going to be talking about is for general education. This is why I invite you to reach out to us so that we can give you personalized attention and guidance that is unique to you on how you can live your American dream through the L1 visa. So let's dive into it. What is the L1 visa? This is a visa for foreign workers of multinational companies that have an office abroad as well as in the United States. And it allows the company to send managers, executives, and key employees with specialized knowledge to temporarily live and work in the United States as an employee of the company sponsoring the L1 visa. So this visa is to help companies transfer employees to either open a U.S. branch or to work in an already established U.S. location for a certain amount of time. So this visa does not give you a green card or permanent residency, but it does allow you to stay in the United States for an initial period of 3 years. Of course, you can renew this visa and stay longer, but there will be a limit on how many times you can have renewals for your EL1. Of course, you can renew this visa to stay longer, but it will have a maximum amount of renewals that are allowed for the L1 visa. So who is a good candidate for the L1 visa? This will depend on your role within the company. If you are a business owner, a manager, or an executive of a company, you will have to have worked in the company in one of its offices outside of the United States for at least 1 out of the last 3 years. You also need to meet these requirements to qualify. So first, you'll have to detail the duties of your position that it requires. Next, your role should be one of being a supervisor for other employees of the company. And the employees that you supervise must have a key function in your department that you manage. Now, if you're not a business owner, a manager, or an executive, you must be an employee with specialized knowledge, and you'll have to show that you have specialized knowledge relating to the company's products or their services, the company's research, their systems, their management or their procedures, or their proprietary techniques. Now, there are a few things that you should consider if you are considering the L1 visa. The first thing that you want to keep in mind is, like I mentioned earlier, this is a temporary visa and does not give you a green card or permanent residency. So if your end goal is to get a green card, the L1 visa does not itself lead to permanent residency. The second thing, though, that I do want to mention, kind of related to the first, is that if you do wish to have your green card or your permanent residency, this visa does allow you to pursue other options while you are in the United States on this visa. So we here at D4U USA, we have lots of other videos to educate you on these other options that would be available for you as a professional. Third, you as the applicant must already be employed by the company sponsoring your petition. Remember, this is for professionals who are already working for the company at their location outside of the United States. So if you think that the L1 visa is an option for you, we invite you to send us an email. Tell us about your role in the company so we can guide you. We look forward to seeing you on the next video, and we hope you found this one helpful.